Our mission? To discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales.
Looking for a Winter Wonderland experience in Sydney without heading to the mountains? Today, we're taking you to one of the most magical spots in the city, the Grounds of Alexandria. We came here because we had a friend visiting, and this place is always a crowd pleaser, especially during their themed seasonal displays. Winter is one of our favorites because of the cozy setup, fairy lights, and fun installations, perfect for families. We started with a cafe, and here's a quick tip. You'll need a receipt from any of their food outlets to access the Winter Wonderland area. So be sure to grab a coffee or try one of their amazing desserts first. Calie enjoyed her puzzle time while we relaxed with some sweets. Now, to the main event, the Winter Wonderland. It can get quite busy, especially on weekends, but don't worry. Just patiently wait for your turn and you'll get a chance to enjoy all the photo ops. From this vintage phone booth to the dreamy carriage setup, everything is picture perfect. It's free to enter the general grounds area, but to make the most of the Winter Wonderland theme, dining in is a must. We suggest visiting early in the day or on a weekday to avoid the crowds. And don't forget your camera. We hope that this video helps you decide whether to include the grounds in your Sydney itinerary. For families like ours, it's definitely worth a visit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Team Labata for more family-friendly experiences around New South Wales.